Purchase the young Thai chili plant from a garden center. Chili plants love hot weather and lots of sun. Plant them in late spring when the overnight temperature is 15 degrees Celsius or higher. Dig a hole about 7 inch deep and 6 inch wide. Add homemade compost or purchase Vegi Plant mix soil. Do not plant your chili on a hot sunny morning or afternoon, as the heat will kill the young plant. Instead, plant the chili in the evening to ensure a higher success rate. You can plant them in pots or in the ground. Planting in the ground produces more chili as the roots has more room to grow and to expand. Make sure to water the young chili plant daily to help the roots settle in. To promote faster growth, water the young chili plant with homemade liquid fertilizer or warm casting tea. 3 weeks later, trim off most of the lower branches to encourage a stronger stem to help support the plant as it grows taller. Pruning also helps to improve air circulation, promote bushier growth, and produce a lot more chili later on. 3.5 months later, many red Thai chili is ready for harvest. Time to harvest beautiful hot chili. Following these few steps, it is very easy to grow Thai chili. Give it a try. You can check out my video on how to make nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer and warm casting tea in my channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. As always, happy gardening.